Hello guys. Today uh, I'm here to show you the new tricks and new tips that can assist you to make a percentage of totals. Sometimes people do this manually. For instance, equal this times 100 over this. Sorry. This over this. Mostly, this is not best way to make a percentage. So for easily, I would like to show you the best way you can try for better making your percentage of totals in simple way. So I'm going to show you like this. First of all, select your data, then go to quick analysis tool. Okay, and go to the total and you scroll, go to the percentage of totals. You see that in a simple way you get the data in the tables. For instance, if you have in January, for instance, this amount, you get its percentage according to the total sales of year. So means that it's a simple way you can just try to make your percentage an easy way. Keep watching our videos on K James TV. Welcome. Next time we are here for you to show you many and many tips on Excel. Thank you for watching.